Hey, what's up guys? It's Daniel here with Lantern Crew. We're going to be taking a look at our bags that our sponsor sent over from Viking Bags for my 2019 48 Sportster. So these are their Ghost 30-liter Viking bags. They're made out of their durable Viking leather, and they are made out of hard shell construction, which does mean that they are weather resistant. You don't have to worry about your stuff getting wet while inside. These are also key lockable, which is a really nice feature to have. So these bags are perfect for the everyday rider like myself. I found myself looking for bags. As a Sportster owner, you don't really have many options on what kind of bags, and when you do look at the options, majority of them do break the bank. These are on the more affordable side of it, so you don't have to worry about that. I would have loved to have these on my trip to Utah. They fit everything I need. They've got 1,800 cubic inches of space inside, so I could have carried everything that I needed with me for that trip. But these are great if you're an everyday rider, going to work, taking long trips, whatever it is you need, you can fit inside. So these bags are extremely user-friendly to install. It was a super easy process. All it takes is 2 bolts. You don't have to modify anything on the bags. They provide you with all the spacers, all the hardware that you need. All it is replacing 1 bolt, which we'll show you inside, change the suspension bolt, and 1 support bolt on the fender. Aside from that, it was great. Some seasoned people that have worked on their bikes previously, it'll take them about 20 minutes to do. It might take you about 40 if you've never done anything and you just want to take your time on it. Super easy to install, no headache at all. These bags bolt on straight to the 2 front bolts on your fender. You do not have to make any kind of modifications for your taillights or anything of that nature. So these bags do come with Velcro on the side that allow you to have separate pockets for some things that you might be carrying just to organize stuff. And also for the installation, these bags do come with indentations, so it will allow for sitting over the suspension. So these bags secure with a clip. They have the look of the straps, but they are super easy. They give you that look, but also the security of not opening up while you're riding. So if you're a Sportster owner like myself and you're looking for some bag options, Viking Bags is the best place to go. They have plenty of options. These are just one of them. They do have other sizes if you don't need something as big. These are great for long distance. They're exactly what you need. You can go check them out at vikingbags.com, or you can go down below and click on that link there. Again, thanks you guys for checking this out. My name's Daniel. See you in the next one.